Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Boofus Sports Card Collecting. Today I'm going to rip a 2024 Topps Series 1 blaster box. I got a little gift card from my company for Thanksgiving from Target, so I went ahead and picked this up, and I'm going to go ahead and rip into it. So this is, see what collectors got me for Thanksgiving here. I know it's a wee bit late, but I kind of took my time using that because it was an e-thing, so I forgot it was on my email for a while. And then when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah. So just go ahead and rip into this and see what we get out of that. Top pack. Okay. Weird. Top card. Oh, there you go. Chris Martin with the Ghosts parallel. Cool. Lamont Wade Jr., Jaro Camaro, Jorge Polanco, rookie of Saddam Taylor, rookie of Wyatt Langford, rookie debut. That's a good one. Sweet. Nissan Newes, rookie card. Frankie Montage, Robert Glasser, rookie card. Jose Berto. And we got ourselves a Luke Riley green foil, number 33 of 49. Very cool. Right on. And we got a rainbow foil rookie of Leo Reyes, and a Stars of MLB Austin Riley. That was a pretty good first pack. I like that pack. Let's go ahead and try the next one. All right, and another holiday one, and oops. And it is Chad Smith rookie card from the Guardians, TJ Hoskins rookie card from the Tigers, Jordan Hicks, AJ Puck, Adrian Hauser, rookie card of Spencer Arrighetti, Jeff Hoffman, Young and Hungry 20-somethings fueled in San Diego with Tatis, Christian Encarnacion Strand rookie card, Gary Sanchez, Dustin Dakota Huston, CJ Abrams All-Star Game. Cool. And Marcus Semien from the Stars of MLB. All right. Next pack. Let's see what we get. All right. Our top card is Griffin Jax. And then we got Hector Neris, Mark Leiter, Danny Corbinden, I don't know. Emmanuel Rivera, rookie of Wissel Perez, rookie of Junior Camarado debut. That's a good one. Rookie of Kyle Mazanzo, Ramon Reyes, Bailey Falter, hey, 89 style, Sandy Koufax from the Dodgers, from the Doyers. That's a good one. And a Wyatt Langford rookie card. All right, next pack. All right, top card. This is going to be my last holiday one. We got a Luke Gale from the Yankees, Cole Keith rookie card, Lucas Edgin, Jermaine Carrano, Andrew Abbott rookie card, Jorge Soler, Nick Gordon, Kamenan Rafaela rookie card from the Red Sox, rookie debut. 3 home runs clutch for the Pirates. It must be McCutchen, Justin Tapia, Luke Mail. Hey, Paul Skeens, Topps Gold Black, sweet, and a Justin Verlander. All right, two more packs. All right, top card, Japanese-born home run record, Shohei Ohtani. That's sweet. Alex Verdugo, Tyler Hudson, Dylan Cease, rookie of Darrell Hernandez, Tyler Glasnow for the Dodgers, Spencer Turnbull, Far East Japanese, Jonathan Rodriguez, Cody Seaver-Zeba, Will Smith All-Star Game, sweet, and a AJ Smith-Schuster. Two more packs to go. All right, top card. We got ourselves another holiday. The Pumpkins of Daniel Hudson from the Doyers, sweet. Jorge Alcocer, rookie of Grammy Palsy. Mason Black, rookie. Max Meyer. Marcus Luciano, rookie. Jonathan Koss, rookie. Jared Jones, rookie. Ronald Barco, rookie. Miguel Arana, rookie. The White Sox, rookie. A chrome of Royce Lewis and an O'Neill Cruz Jr. Very sweet. All right, last pack magic, last pack mojo. Let's see what we get out of this last pack. We got ourselves a Carlos Stanton, rookie of Brett Harris. Joey Grand Theft Auto on the Blue Jays. Nick Senzel. Toslington, J-Rod. All Smiles. Rookie from the Giants. Jackson Holiday, 89 style, and a Jung-Young Lee rookie card. All right, that's it. Sorry, I'm in a rush. I got to go. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you have, subscribe if you haven't, and peace.